Okay, let's see if now this works. So let's get this out of here. Okay, so we had some questions about connecting onto the PDF in order to mark it and to do it from my lesson page. So here we are. I'm going to click on this, and from this stage now you save it onto your desktop. Okay, hopefully you can see all that. Now you click on the desktop, click on this, and now this is in PDF, and you can look at the different options. Here are the comment tools. Click on this, and as I said in the first video, click on the circle, and there's a circle. And you can make all kinds of different circles and then place the circle. There we go. Like that. You can place the circle where you think the answer is. Oh, come on. Oh, I need to go into there. Okay. Where the answer is. Boom. And then you would save this. Save as, let's say, econ answers. I'll make it answers Paul. Save it on there. And then when you do your Laulima, start a new conversation. Add attachments. Okay. I would go to browse and then answers Paul. And there is the practice questions. So I hope that helps. And it's mainly that first step of getting it into the PDF form so that you can use the editing tools. Okay, thank you very much. And I'll be sending this out to the student and maybe even as an announcement to the rest of the class.